Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reset your Cash App cash pin in case you've forgotten it. So let's get right into it. Now I'll be using this Cash App official help article to help you with this. Since I don't have Cash App in my region, I have no way of accessing it, so I'll have to use this, and I hope you guys don't mind. Now, as you can see, the process is very simple. There is not a lot of steps that you need to do. You can reset it through your app, or you can reset it online. Depends on what you want, depends on what's simpler for you, but it is simple either way. Both ways require only 4 steps, so you're pretty much set once you do them. Now, what you need to do to reset your PIN on the app is you just need to go into your Cash App, tap on the profile icon in the home screen, select privacy and security, press change cash PIN, and then confirm your new PIN, and that should be it. Now, if that doesn't work for you, you can also try doing it online, and the way that you do this is you log into your Cash App account on cash.app/account. Then at the bottom of the left toolbar, click on account to open up your settings, and in privacy and security, click change cash PIN, and once you do, just confirm your current PIN, then enter and reconfirm your new PIN. So for this, you will need your own PIN in case you don't have it, and if in case you've forgotten it, what you can do is you can contact their support. You just need to go to your account section and locate their support section and just contact them through either text with the automated support, or you can contact them directly on Twitter or Facebook, or you can just continue pestering the chat bot until it gives you a contact of somebody that's an actual person. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.